No holding on or anything. Wow, no pedaling. Oh, one hand? Okay.
Hey, what's up guys? We're here in San Francisco in Hayes Valley. We're about to eat at Stacks for breakfast or brunch, and we're actually here in the city because we're gonna go to Golden Gate Park where we're gonna test out Zayanna's new tricycle, and let's see how she does with that.
At Golden Gate Park today. We're at Stow Lake because they have ducks and Zayanna likes to look at ducks, and then she's gonna ride her trike around. Just a reason to let her use her little gizmo here.
Excuse me? Excuse me, what are you doing? You're taking this to a whole nother level. Laziness.
Geese are smart. As soon, like, Andre took it out and the geese was facing away, babe. And then the geese went like this.
What did the geese do?
He's like facing that way, and then Andre took the geese right out, and then the geese went. And then me and Annabelle were like, oh my god, this geese is ready. Alright, we made it to this thing. It says the Golden Gate Pavilion. Let's check it out. Bum bum bum. Okay. These little stools look like chess pieces. I feel like I'm in Mulan. Look at these chess piece chairs. You know, the scene in Mulan where she like goes and talks to her ancestors, except there's no statue thingies. There's no ancestors. There's a lot of little Mushu dragons on the thing.
Check this girl out. She's missing a sock, but it's on her hand.
Like a glove.
Like a glove, like a mitten. Silly girl. Alright guys, so we're now in the Richmond district here at Lung Fung Bakery, and I made a mistake of not carrying cash and forgot that all Chinese places or Asian places in the city don't really take credit card. What's that?
Oh, this makes me so happy. It's so pretty. On Yelp, some of the people say they're better than Golden Gate Bakery. Some people. Some people.
Golden Gate Bakery is like supposedly the best in San Francisco.
That's
a strong claim.
It's warm.
What does the verdict say?
The crust is thicker. It's more buttery. This is good. Oh, it's sweet. I haven't had Golden Gate in a while. I don't know if it's necessarily better, but it's good. Like, I wouldn't get to any of the ones on the other side of Clement. It's good. Let's try it.
Good morning! Happy 4th of July! We're on our way to the parade route, and since I forgot to mention it, not yesterday, but on Sunday, hit that subscribe button and hit that like button, because I think it doesn't work. Let's test it out.
Alright, we're waiting for the parade. Ah! Oh, you want to vlog?
Yes.
Yes? Okay. Okay, what do you see? There's no parade yet.
That's what that means.
Oh, you want to record? Hello! It's a recording, Zaya. What do you say? Say, I'm watching the parade. It hasn't started yet. Oh. Oh, those are your feet. Oh, I think it's starting. Zaya, are you waving at them? It was until the end. Say bye-bye. There you go. It took the whole parade for her to get the courage to wave.
Taking a picture with Zalia and Carter. Carter and Zalia.
Hey, hey, snow cone thief. Hey, that's mine.
She just gave me a gift and she's like, I want that.
Hey.
Oh, this tastes like, this smells like. Here, can I put a little blue?
Stole
in
mine.
yours?
You stole mine. All right. We are en route. What time is it? 6:44. We are going to fireworks now. Even though fireworks are in almost 3 hours. Because we don't know what to expect and we want to take in some sun. So we've loaded our car with people.
8 people.
Are there 8 people in here?
Yeah.
1, 2. There's 7.
3, 4, 5. Oh, just kidding.
It fits 8 people because they can technically fit one more in the back.
Is there a seat?
So much air in there.
There you go. You're too close. My side. There you go. There you go. Oh my God. This is where my life ends. We're way too close. Oh my God, it's right above us. Oh my God. I'm ready to go. Oh my God, I'm ready to go home. Me too. Okay, here we go. Home now. Let's go.
No!
Oh my God, babe, let's go. Babe, let's go.
The fireworks this year has us watching. We might get hit in the face.
Alright, so before it gets too dark, just wanted to thank you guys for watching. And hit that like button and that subscribe button. See you guys next week.